LIC has just declared its bonus rates for 2025, and for the first time ever, there's a major change in the way bonuses are calculated. If you are planning for your future with LIC policies, this change can make a huge difference in your maturity value. Let's understand what has changed, why it matters, and how it directly impacts you. LIC offers two broad categories of policies, with profit and without profit. In with-profit policies, policyholders share in the profits of LIC's participating business through bonus declarations every year. In without-profit policies, no bonus is added, benefits are fixed at the time of purchase. In simple words, with-profit plans let you participate in LIC's surplus. You get a share of LIC's profits through annual bonuses and sometimes loyalty additions. Now let's break down the types of bonuses you should know about. 1. Simple reversionary bonus, SRB, declared every year, added to your sum assured, and paid at maturity or death. 2. Final additional bonus, FAB, a one-time reward at maturity or death for long-term policyholders, usually after 15 years or more. 3. Loyalty additions, applicable to certain plans, as a one-time addition. And here's the key distinction, bonus versus guaranteed additions. Bonus depends on LIC's valuation surplus and is not fixed in advance. Guaranteed additions, GA, are promised upfront in some non-par plans, irrespective of LIC's performance. This year, LIC has introduced new sum assured based slabs. For most with-profit plans, if your sum assured is 5 lakh rupees or more, the bonus rate is 1 rupee higher per 1000 rupees SA. And for Jeevan Labh 736, there are now 3 slabs, less than 5 lakh rupees, between 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh, and 10 lakh rupees or more, with the highest bonus in the top slab. This is a landmark move. LIC is encouraging larger sum assureds by directly rewarding you with higher bonuses. Now let's see the real impact of the new bonus slabs using Jeevan Labh 736 with a sum assured of 10 lakh rupees, age 30, and 3 different term premium payment term combinations. We'll compare last year's bonus rates with this year's new slab rates and also consider GST on premiums. Case 1. Term 25 years, PPT 16 years. Premium 48,427 rupees, base. Total premium with GST, till the 7,93,234 rupees. Bonus rate last year, 47 this year, 49. Bonus per year, last year 47,000 rupees, this year 49,000 rupees. Total bonus, last year 11,75,000 rupees, this year 12,25,000 rupees. FAB 450 by 1000 SA 4,50,000 rupees. Total maturity, last year 26,25,000 rupees, this year 26,75,000 rupees. Gain, plus 50,000 rupee maturity. Case 2, term 21 years, PPT 15 years. Premium, 56,756 rupees, base. Total premium with GST, till the 8,71,630 rupees. Bonus rate last year, 44 this year, 46. Bonus per year, last year 44,000 rupees, this year 46,000 rupees. Total bonus, last year 9,24,000 rupees, this year 9,66,000 rupees. FAB 100 by 1000 SA 1 lakh rupees. Total maturity, last year 20,24,000 rupees, this year 20,66,000 rupees. Gain, plus 42,000 rupee maturity. Case 3, term 16 years, PPT 10 years. Premium, 87,237 rupees, base. Total premium with GST till the 8,93,743 rupees. Bonus rate last year 40, this year 42. Bonus per year last year 40,000 rupees, this year 42,000 rupees. Total bonus last year 6,40,000 rupees, this year 6,72,000 rupees. FAB 25 by 1000 is 825,000 rupees. Total maturity last year 16,65,000 rupees, this year 16,97,000 rupees. Gain plus 32,000 rupee maturity. As we can see, just a difference of 1 rupee to 2 in the bonus rate translates to 30,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees higher maturity for a 10 lakh rupees sum assured. When combined with the new GST relaxation on premiums, this year's change is a double advantage for policyholders. Lower premium outgo and higher maturity returns. As you can see, the increase of just 1 rupee or 2 rupee per 1000 SA may look small, but over 10 lakh SA and 16 to 25 years, it translates to tens of thousands of rupees extra in maturity benefit. There's a two-pronged advantage this year. 1. No GST on premiums, your outgo is reduced. 2. Higher maturity thanks to the new bonus slabs. This makes participating plans even more attractive. While Jeevan Labh has 3 slabs, all other with-profit plans, like New Endowment 714, New Jeevan Anand 715, Money Back 720 and 721, Children's 732, Jeevan Lakshya 733, Jeevan Tarun 734, Jeevan Umang 745, have 2 slabs, below 5 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees or above. A major increase is also seen in Jeevan Umang, where the difference between slabs is up to 2 rupee per 1000 SA. With interest rates coming down, the RBI has cut the repo rate multiple times in 2025. Safe and guaranteed options are becoming scarce. LIC's decision to raise bonuses for higher cover policies shows its strength and commitment to rewarding long-term savers. To sum up, LIC bonus rates 2025 introduce higher SA slabs. Jeevan Labh 736 is the star, with 3 tiers and big gains for 10 lakh rupees covers. Add to that no GST on premiums and falling market rates, and this year's LIC bonuses are a real advantage for policyholders. Want to know how these changes affect your own policy? Check out the full article on insurancefunda.in or use our smart all-in-one calculator app for a customized illustration.